Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Yodoro Torres Rossi from the Universidad Peruana de Ciencias Aplicadas in Lima, Peru. Today I will present our research titled Information Security Web System based on the ISO 27001 standard, a case study in a construction company in Lima. This work was developed together with Rosemary Milagros Bardabe Huerta and Ernesto Adolfo Carrera Salas. The goal of this research is to design and validate SecuPro, a web-based system that supports the implementation of information security management practices based on the ISO 27001 standard. In this presentation, I will briefly explain the problem context, the problem system architecture, and the main results obtained during the validation phase. For the study object, the main goal of this study was to design and implement the SecuPro web system based on the ISO 27001 standard to support information security management in a construction company in Lima. First, the system helps improve daily operations by replacing manual processes used to manage security policies, assets, and incidents. Second, it includes training modules to improve employee awareness and reduce human errors related to cybersecurity. Finally, the system aims to reduce incident detection time and strengthen the organization overall security management. For problem statement, this research focuses on several problems that are common in construction SMEs. First, these companies handle sensitive information such as project plans, contract, and financial data, but many of them don't have formal information security systems. Second, many organizations still depend on manual process such as spreadsheets or paper records, which increase the risk of errors and data loss. Another problem is the difficulty of implementation international standards like ISO 27001 standard, especially for small companies that not have the right tools. Finally, the human factor is also important. Limited cybersecurity knowledge and lack of training can lead to mistakes and security incidents. Methodology architecture. To address these problems, we developed a modular web-based system architecture. The system was implemented using Node.js for the backend, PostgreSQL for the database, and a service-oriented architecture designed to ensure scalability and maintainability. Users interact with the system through a web interface that allows them to manage security policies, assets, incidents, and training activities. During the research process, we also performed data collections and asset identification, evaluating the organization information asset based on the CA trait, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. To validate the effectiveness of the system, we conducted a 9-day pilot study involving 12 participants, including administrative staff, operational personnel, and security-related roles with the company. Solution implementation. The proposed solution is the SecuPro web system designed to centralize and automate security management process. One key component is the asset and risk management module, which allows organizations to register, classify, and evaluate critical information assets while identifying potential risks. Another important component is the incident response module, which enables real-time reporting and monitoring of security events. Through a centralized dashboard, the system provides a clear overview of incidents, compliance status, and operational indicators, allowing managers to quickly identify and respond to potential threats. Solution implementation. The platform also includes training and awareness module, which provide interactive learning material designed to improve cybersecurity knowledge among employees. These features address the human factor, which is often considered one of the weakness points in organization security. Additionally, the system implements data governance mechanisms, including role-based access control and activity traceability. This control ensures that only authorized users can use sensitive information while maintaining a complete record of sincere interaction. Results 1. Operational efficiency. The first set of results focuses on operational efficiency and response time. After implementing the SecuPro platform, the average incident detection time was reduced to 57.5 seconds, meeting the target of maintaining response time below 1 minute. Additionally, the system achieved a 41.67% reduction in operation errors compared to the previous manual processes. These results demonstrate that the authorization of security management process significantly improves efficiency and reliability in organization operations. For results 2, the second group of results evaluates compliance with ISO 27001 controls. The system achieved a police adherence index of 92%, indicate a high level of compliance with the organization security policy. Assets traceability research 10%, meaning they all register assets where the ability tracked with the platform. In addition, the training models contribute to a 85% increase in staff awareness regarding cybersecurity protocols. These results confirm that the system supports organizations in adopting international information security standards effectively. Results 3. User validations and ROI. In addition, the technical results, we evaluate user acceptance and financial feasibility. Using a Likert scale evaluation, the system achieved a usability score of 4.5 out of 5 and a perceived security improved score of 4.7 out of 5. From a financial perspective, the project research is break-even point during the second year. The project return on investigation by the third year is approximately 59.1%, demonstrating the economic viability on the solution. Moreover, 19% of users reported that the system improved the process of reporting and management security incidents compared to traditional methods. Conclusions. In conclusion, the implementation of the SecuPro web system demonstrates that automation can significantly improve information security management in small and medium-sized enterprises. The system reduced operational errors by 41.67%, improved incident detection times to under 1 minute, and achieved 92% complete with ISO 27001 policy. From an economic perspective, the project also proved financially viable, reaching profitability within 2 years. Beyond technical improves, the platform also contributes to stretching the cybersecurity culture with the organization. Recommendations for future work, several improvements can be explored. First, the system could be expanded to support multiple company localizations, allowing organizations with different sites or projects to manage security from one central platform. Second, future versions could include artificial intelligence or machine learning to help detect unusual activities or potential threats earlier. Another possibility step is the support companies that want to achieve official ISO 27001 certification using the system logs and records as evidence of complaints. Finally, the platform could integrate with other business systems such as RPA software used in the construction industries. Thank you very much for attention.